Hello everyone. During this quick road assessment of Jackson Street, we'll examine its current condition and how the current state of Jackson Street might affect your drive. Also, we'll attempt to uncover any potential issues that may come to our attention that might cause you concern. And, like always, in an effort to keep you as safe as possible, we will explore all facets of Jackson Street that may require your attention as you navigate on this road.
Jackson Street is in poor condition. As drivers approach Dyken Park, home of the Houston Astros, it is crucial to pay attention to the potential challenges drivers may face while navigating Jackson Street. For instance, drivers will encounter a number of road conditions that could jeopardize their safety, such as road cracks, road divots, road humps, and major road discoloration. These conditions not only create difficulties in driving on Jackson Street, but also increase the risk of accidents, particularly for those who may be unfamiliar with the area.
Stretching for 3.5 miles, Jackson Street has become increasingly problematic due to multiple segmentation, aesthetic blemishes, uneven road surfaces, road crowning, and very visible road seams that not only compromise the integrity of vehicles, but also pose safety risks for all who travel on Jackson Street. The presence of road bricks here can create a jarring experience for some drivers, and along with faded road markings may hinder visibility and guidance on Jackson Street. The presence of construction zones requires heightened awareness. Therefore, drivers are encouraged to be mindful of any detours or changes in traffic patterns that may arise. Drivers should remain vigilant and exercise caution when traveling through these areas. Also, particular attention should be given to multiple four-way stops on Jackson Street, where the potential for confusion can increase. It is essential to approach these intersections with extra caution to ensure the safety of all road users. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. And if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comment section on this video. Furthermore, highlighted here is the importance of being vigilant while driving on Jackson Street, especially on trash pickup days. The placement of trash bins along the street can create potential hazards for some drivers, as these bins are often positioned very close to vehicle driving paths and the parked vehicles on Jackson Street. This close proximity can obscure visibility for some drivers and lead to unexpected obstacles. Moreover, drivers should remain alert for pedestrians who may be exiting their vehicles. The safety of both drivers and pedestrians is paramount, and it is essential that drivers exercise caution and patience while driving on Jackson Street.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.